green line after a Samsung update? Before you pay for a screen replacement, try these 4 fixes first. First, press and hold the power button. When the menu appears, tap Restart. Let your phone restart, then check if the green line is gone. Method 2, update your phone. Open Settings. Then scroll down and tap Software Update. Next, tap Download and install. If a new update is available, install it. After your phone restarts, check if the green line issue has been fixed. Method 3, boot into safe mode. For this method, press and hold the power button. Then press and hold the power off option until safe mode appears. Now enter safe mode. Check if the green line is still showing. To exit safe mode, simply restart your phone. Method 4, visit a Samsung service center. If the green line is still there after trying all the methods above, first back up your important data. Then visit an authorized Samsung service center. Ask the technician to inspect your phone's display. If there's a hardware problem with the display, they may recommend a screen repair or replacement. That's it. Still having the same problem? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.